Kamusta mga balibulista? Panalo ang inyo Bulldogs kontra sa AAC Generals 25-19, 25-23, 25-15. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Obed Mukaba matapos nagtala ng 6 points. Tinalo naman ng FEU Tamaraws ang Ateneo Blue Eagles 24-26, 25-22, 25-18, 29-27. Best player of the game si Amit Bituin matapos nagtala ng 12 points. Para naman sa Women's Division, wagi ang FEU Lady Tamaraws kontra sa CSB Lady Blazers 25-16, 25-14, 25-22. Best player of the game si Faida Bakanki sa likod ng kanyang 12 points. Pinataob naman ng UST Golden Tigresses ang ULED Warriors 25-14, 25-19, 24-26, 25-19. Best player of the game si Carvalho matapos humakot ng 5 points na may kasamang 14 excellent sets. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings ng Men's Division as of August 4, 2024. NU Bulldogs 2 wins 0 loss 6 points. FEU Tamaraws 2 wins 0 loss 6 points. DLSU Green Spikers 1 win 0 loss 3 points. Ateneo Blue Eagles 1 win 1 loss 3 points. Perpetual Altas 0 win 1 loss 0 point. UST Golden Spikers 0 win 1 loss 0 point. Litran Knights 0 win 1 loss 0 point. EAC Generals 0 win 2 losses 0 point. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto naman ang team standing sa Women's Division as of August 4, 2024. UST Golden Tigresses 2 win 0 loss 6 points. Litran Lady Knights 1 win 0 loss 2 points. FEU Lady Tamaraws 1 win 1 loss 4 points. UP Lady Maroons 1 win 1 loss 3 points. UE Lady Warriors 1 win 1 loss 3 points. LPU Lady Pirates 0 win 1 loss 0 point. CSB Lady Blazers 0 win 2 losses 0 point. NU Lady Bulldogs 0 win 0 loss 0 point. Heto ang mga laro ngayong August 7, 2024 na gaganapin sa Paco Arena. Para sa Women's Division, magharap ang UP Lady Maroons at LPU Lady Pirates alas 10 ng umaga. Magsasagupa naman ang NU Lady Bulldogs at Litran Lady Knights alas 12 ng tanghali. Para naman sa Men's Division, maglalaban ang Litran Knights at Delta Altas alas 3 ng hapon. Magtutos naman ang UST Golden Spikers at DLSU Green Spikers alas 5 ng hapon. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.